Masipidile. Cover the Merc. Cover the Merc. Oh, Masi. This is...
Umndeni womlingisi uPresley Choneyagae udalule ukuthi lo mlingisi owaduma ngefilimu kaTsotsi ushone emva kokuba nenkinga yokuphefumula.
The cause of death is a natural cause. He had respiratory complications, and the paramedics were called on scene to come and look at his home. Unfortunately, he did not make it.
Othisha besikole abefunda kuso esakhula iLetsatsing Science High School bathi ubengumuntu onamancoko.
He was a friend to everyone. What you see and what you get on TV, that's who he was. He was never a celebrity to anyone.
Abakhule naye bathi uPresley obeteketiswa ngelikaTobetsa ubengumuntu othanda ukuzijabulisa.
He was a jolly person. He was actually full of fun, but a family person again at all, and a very honest person that you can say. So all that he wanted to have was fun.
Ozakwabo bathi umkhakha wezikaqedisa izungu uqemeke engeqiwa ntwala.
Tobetsa was so dedicated to his craft. You know, there's nobody that I know of who was so committed, and he gave it all. He gave it all to every single production that he was on. He gave it all, you know. So the memory that I have of him is that everything was just about, you know, fun.
uPresley uzofihlwa ngomgqibelo ngesonto elizayo mhla ziyisikhombisa kuNhlangulana. Kanti ke kuzoba nezinkonzo zesikhumbuzo sakhe ezimbili ngesonto elizayo. EyaseMahikeng izoba ngoLwesibili kuthi eyaseGauteng ibe ngoLwesine.